Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add citations and references to your Word document. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or simply someone who wants to give proper credit, this guide will help you. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, open your Word document. For this example, we will be using a sample document over here. Now next, what you'll do is just simply head to the Reference tab at the top of the screen and you will find the option of Citations and Bibliography, as you can see right over here. Now before you begin citing, make sure you know the required citation style for your document. So different fields and institutions often use styles like APA, MLA, IEEE, or Chicago. So you should know what type of you want on your particular document. Now click on the Style drop-down menu, which is right over here. In this menu, just simply choose your desired citation style. So I will just go default style right over here, which is APA. Now once you've done that, the next you have to do is position your cursor where you want the citations to appear. Then just simply click on the Insert Citation option at the very top. And if this is your first time, click on Add New Source right over here. Now you will select the type of source, whether it is a book, conference proceeding, interview, or even a website. So once you've decided the source, fill in all the necessary information in the dialog box right over here, then click on OK. So after filling the details, click on OK. And Word will insert the citations in the correct format, as you can see right over here. Now to create a bibliography or reference page, move you here to the end of your document. And then in the reference panel, just simply choose bibliography right over here. Click on the drop-down menu. And over here, just simply choose your citation style, and then it'll insert the citations, as you can see right over here. So that's it. You now know how to add citations and references in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.